Looking for the best compact camera to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get. Number 1. Fujifilm X100VI. Best overall compact camera. The Fujifilm X100VI is the pinnacle of compact cameras in 2025. Blending retro charm with cutting-edge technology for enthusiasts and professionals, its 40mm APS-C sensor paired with a 35mm f2 lens delivers exceptional image quality with stunning detail and dynamic range rivaling larger mirrorless systems. The addition of in-body image stabilization, IBIS, ensures steady shots in low light, while the hybrid optical electronic viewfinder offers unmatched flexibility for framing. The X100VI's 20 film simulation modes, including the new Reala ICE, add creative flair, mimicking classic film stocks. Its retro-inspired design with tactile manual dials and premium build quality makes shooting a joy. Though its 5.04 by 2.904 x 2.95 x 2 and 18 inches body is less pocketable than some competitors. The camera supports 6.2K 10-bit video, appealing to hybrid shooters, but its fixed lens and single UHS SD card slot may limit some users. Subject recognition autofocus, including birds and vehicles, enhances its versatility, though Face ID detection requires menu navigation. Despite high demand and limited stock, the X100VI's performance justifies its $15.99 price tag. Its tactile controls, weather-sealed body with an adapter, and superb stills make it ideal for street, travel, and everyday photography. For those seeking a compact camera that balances style, performance, and advanced features, the Fujifilm X100VI is the undisputed champion. Number 2. Sony RX1007s. Best for travel and action. The Sony RX1007 is a powerhouse compact camera perfect for travelers and action photographers who need versatility in a pocket-sized package. Measuring 4 by 2.29 by 1.69 in and weighing just 300 U. It houses a 20.1 Leica, the 1-in stacked CMOS sensor, and a 24,200mm f2.84 8.4.5 zoom lens offering an impressive range for landscapes, portraits, and distant subjects. Its fast autofocus with eye detection for people and pets, and 24 frames per second continuous shooting make it ideal for capturing fast-moving subjects from wildlife to sports. The RX1007 excels in both photo and 4K video quality. With a pop-up electronic viewfinder and a tilting touchscreen for flexible framing. Its imaging engine produces industry-leading JPEGs and RAW support caters to editors. While its lens isn't as bright at the long end compared to some competitors, the extended zoom range compensates, making it a top choice for travel. The camera's compact design fits easily into a jacket pocket, and its smartphone app allows wireless photo transfers, though it's limited to JPEGs and lower bit rate videos. The RX1007's customization options and minimalistic controls suit advanced users, but its small buttons may feel cramped for some. Priced around $1,700, it's a premium investment, but its performance justifies the cost for those needing a do-it-all compact. For travelers and action shooters, the Sony RX1007 combines portability, speed, and quality in a class-leading package. Number 3. Leica Deluxe 8. Best for premium design and image quality, the Leica Deluxe 8 is a premium compact camera that blends iconic style with impressive performance, making it a top choice for enthusiasts seeking luxury and quality. Launched in July 2024, it features a 17mm sensor and a fast 24-75 UMA f1.72. 8 lens, delivering sharp, vibrant images with excellent low-light performance. Its sleek, minimalist design, inspired by the Leica Q3, includes traditional control dials and a lens-mounted aspect ratio switch, offering a tactile, engaging shooting experience. The Deluxe 8's JPEGs can appear muted, but raw shooting unlocks its full potential for post-processing. It includes a new electronic viewfinder, a significant upgrade from its predecessor, the Deluxe 7, enhancing usability in bright light. The camera supports 4K video and offers customizable buttons for tailored operation. Though its fixed touchscreen lacks tilt functionality, which may limit vlogging versatility. Weighing around 400 g, it's compact yet feels premium with Leica's signature build quality. While not as advanced as the latest compacts like the Fujifilm X100VI, the Deluxe 8 is more affordable than other Leica models, priced at approximately $1,595, making it an attractive entry into the brand's ecosystem. Its snappy zoom lens and elegant interface cater to photographers who value both aesthetics and performance. For those who want a compact camera with a touch of class and strong image quality, the Leica Deluxe 8 is a compelling option. Number 4. Rico GR33 X. Best for street and pocketability, the Rico GR33 X is a street photographer's dream. Combining pocketable design with professional-grade performance. Weighing just 262 jewelries and measuring 4.29 x 2.44 x 1.3 in, it slips effortlessly into a pocket, making it one of the most portable APS-C cameras available. Its 24-MP APS-C sensor delivers exceptional image quality with superb dynamic range, rivaling larger mirrorless cameras. And its 40mm f/2.88 lens equivalent to 35mm terms is perfect for street and portrait photography. The lens's sharp optics and fast aperture ensure crisp detailed shots even in low light, while the sensor shift stabilization helps with handheld shooting. The GR33X's snap focus system allows for quick intuitive shooting, ideal for capturing fleeting moments in urban environments. It also offers 2 GB of internal storage and a built-in ND filter for creative control. The camera's minimalist design with smart on-body controls appeals to photographers who value tactile operation, though it lacks a viewfinder and tilting screen, relying on a 3" touchscreen. The GR33 X supports raw shooting for post-processing flexibility, and its optional 1.5x teleconverter lens adds versatility. While not weather-sealed, its compact form factor and image quality make it a favorite among pros and enthusiasts. The GR33X HDF variant introduces a highlight diffusion filter for a dreamy retro aesthetic for street photographers seeking a discreet high-performance compact. The Rico GR33X delivers unmatched portability and quality.